Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another review with Rate My Gear. Different bit of a location today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing instead, so thought I'd get comfortable. But yeah, welcome back. I got some keys instead of a knife because I'm lazy. But today I've got a unboxing for you all, and I'm extremely excited to be doing this review. I am going to be bringing out a review very soon as well, by the way, guys, of some, my favourite gloves that I own. Somebody commented and asked for that, so thank you for the comment. I'll be doing that very soon. And yeah, we're going to get straight into this. And I hope you all enjoy. So this isn't necessarily a review. This is more of an unboxing and first look for me. And I'll be doing a review of these after I've used them a few times. Probably have a review out for these in about a week, 2 weeks time. But I'm really excited to try these out because I wanted a pair of these for a long time, but I just never really wanted to bite the bullet and pay them. My parents have actually put half towards this, so I'm really thankful for that. But yeah. So what we've got is, these are from Rival themselves. These were £185 with the £20 discount, because I got a 10% discount of £20. So it was pretty good. And pretty much, I'm not going to waste any more time. Get a nice little thing there from Rival. Thank you for your purchase. Join our ever-growing Rival family and tag us on your Rival-related posts. Let's see how big our Rival family is and see how far it reaches. Alright. So anyway, this is what I got. Here's the bag. Looking forward to these for a long time. This is one of Rival's flagship gloves. This is the Rival RB10 bag glove with the D3O technology in it. So basically what D3O is I'll show you guys, I'll give you a brief thing. D3O is actually used in military helmets and, motorcycle elbow pads and stuff like that. So pretty much what D3O is you can see on these gloves, they have like these yellow holes. So this has a really hard and dense material over the foam, which basically helps protect your hand. It's like putty. I'll try and put an example on screen now. And it also uses Rival's Wrist Lock 2.0 technology, which pretty much means that when you put the glove on, it really locks your wrist in. See if I can show this. There, you see that cinching up the wrist? Now I got these in XL because I'm going to wear wraps underneath these, and I think if I got a medium, it'd be a bit too snug. But straight away, putting my hand into these, it feels great, man. So comfortable. The Rival Wrist Lock 2.0 technology is beautiful. I got these, as you can see, in black and white. I've never actually seen them in person in black and white, but I love them. I was going to get black and gold, but I decided not to go with that in the end. And yeah, gorgeous glove. Fits me perfectly, like a glove, no pun intended. A little bit of wiggle room in here, but again, I'm going to be putting my wraps on under these, so I think I needed to get an XL, to be honest. Really comfortable thumb. Thumb does flare out a bit, but you've got plenty of protection. As you can see, that hard outer shell, the D3O. Really nice embroider in here on the strap as well. Rival does its classic embroidering on the strap. And all in all, yeah, beautiful gloves. And I'll have a review out of these very soon. So for now, thank you all for watching. And I know this was just a short video, but I'll just show you that as well. But yeah, have a review out of these in about a week's time. so once I've used them. But thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Catch you guys later.